Ever pondered about the latest in tech? The unraveling innovations, the game-changing gadgets, and the secret tips and tricks that make life a breeze? Well, ponder no more. Welcome to Mr. King, the ultimate destination for all things tech. In the rapidly evolving tech space, staying up to date is key. But worry not, Mr. King has got you covered. From the newest smartphones to the most advanced AI systems, we leave no circuit unexplored, no code uncracked. Let's dive into some tech tips and tricks. Ever found yourself with a low battery and no charger in sight? Well, switch on airplane mode. It slows down battery consumption by shutting off your device's wireless radios. And here's another one for you. Want to speed up your slow computer? Try limiting the number of programs that run at startup. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your machine's performance. But that's not all. The world of tech is vast and ever-changing. There's always something new, something exciting around the corner. And wouldn't you want to be the first to know about it? So don't just stand on the sidelines. Join the Mr. King community today. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Be part of a network of tech enthusiasts who are as passionate about the future as they are about the present. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed is the first step towards a technologically empowered future. Mr. King, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Stay tuned for more.